Yep. Shadow is back out for a little minute. Been a little while since we got him out. Everything's running good. Just doing some tuning testing back for the weather. Got the new back tire on the last time. Want to do the brake pads on there. Front false leaking a little bit. Supposed to finish painting it, getting the body done, putting the rest of the fairings on it. Pegs, painted with the levers. You know, finish up certain things on it, but I haven't. But right now, I'm just trying to put a battery in it, see if this thing crank up, fire up. And we're gonna get back with it in a second. Fresh turn, first crank of the year. $31, $84.2. Been running 2 years.